bibie no aba be ana ne nkrofo na wafa mo nso no emmoa no you say NDC na kwa 3 your Rollins passing your Tamas passing your honors passing it's on no nkrofo no kwa na o pe bibia de ama mo ana waja Rollins nkrofo no ana waja Tamas nkrofo no ana de ya ne said your tea party na friend John Rollins no ana o ma Ghana fo hu ana o you as deputy minister for communication sabe certain minister did you be vice and abe acting president abe president then na papa no tea party no neba etiase na neba na co school na zina towo no mo na o share friends and defense went man kwa defense minister na appointment e ba ya ni na no wey papa no neba no enim meti run sa kids no omo mpae bibi be koso meti on man security ni very tight no ono aso nya prayerful was asofo bon mpae ma no me